So here I have Kia Sportage 2007, 2006. The AC is not working. The AC is not working. So the inside the car room is not cold, it's very hot. But the outside is very cold, but inside the car is very hot. The room of the car is hot, and the outside the car, outside the bonnet, is very cold, but the room is very hot. So that is the station valve. Okay. So after checking the heater, because the car has a heater from the radiator, hot water come here. After check, it's very okay. So this is the station valve. Can see here the station valve. So to take it off, you have to open this nut, and there is a nut on the station valve. After take off this and take off the also take off this one. Okay. So to take off the station valve, you see, has like 3 bolts here. Has like 3 bolts. This bolt has to take off. Have to take off this bolt. So after taking off this, so you see the hanger both on the downside and the pipe. So this need to be off. After this off, this also take off. So the station valve is out completely. See? It's out completely. So this is the station valve here. I take off the full pipe. I remove the full pipe. So this is the station valve here. I remove the full pipe. So this is the pressure switch on the high pressure side. So here at the high pressure side, the high, and this is the low. Peak, the low. So small is the high. So this is the station valve now. So this is the valve here. Here is the new valve. So this is the old valve. So this is the new valve, yeah. So this one fixed here. So this is how to tighten the valve. So now is the time it's the time for me to fix it back. I want to fix all the spare parts, all the pipe, and here has the filter on the condenser. Filter on the condenser here, so I have to change it. So this is the filter on the condenser. So need to be changed. So I fix the station valve. You can see. That's the station valve. condenser. Here the condenser. To clean the condenser, so you have to put liquid into it. So now is the time to fix the pipe to the condenser. And fix the second pipe. This pipe comes from the compressor. So this one comes from compressor. So here are the nuts. So here are the old filter. So I replaced this one. So this is the new. I fixed this. Yeah, this is not the best quality, but the quality is very good. Okay, that's it. So the filter. It's also called dryer. Some people call it dryer, some people call it receiver, but work as filter. Okay, so how to fix it here? So to fix it, have to go down and stick. So we have to go inside. Okay. So here are the bolts. So this is how to tighten it. And tight the second one. Proper tight. So this is the cover to the filter. So after checking the leak, I discovered that it's not leaking. So now it's time to discharge the air. So now it's time to fill gas. On the high side, you can see, low side. Compressor is on. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share the video, Thank you for watching. Thank you. Like the video, share the video, and also comment